Alright, we're here in Tropical Adventures parking lot at the bottom of Redcliffe Street in St. John's, Antigua, right in the cruise ship port. Now this here is a brand new souvenir shop and Rum, Pirate and Nautical themed bar we are currently building. The first stage has happened and we will keep you updated as progress happens. It's going to be a two-story building. Souvenir shop on the bottom floor and a rum bar on the top floor. This is the first stage. We'll show you how it goes from beginning to end. Enjoy. Alright, this is the new souvenir and rum bar. And they've just put in the frame for the second floor. The souvenir shop's gonna be on the ground floor in that gap, and then stuff up here on the top will be the rum bar and also the rum tasting and history tour. Alright, we're here on the top floor of what is going to be the Captain's Tavern, the Rum, Pirate and Nautical themed bar, right in the heart of St. John's, Antigua, in the two cruise ship docks right there. You got the headquarters for Tropical Adventures right here. We have the souvenir shop and check-in booth underneath. Just built a staircase. This is artificial wood. So it should last a lot longer, hopefully 20 to 25 years. Yes. Alright, here we are in the space that will be the souvenir shop. It is quite big. We're going to figure out how we're going to fill this up with stock. It's going to be an entrance this way and an entrance this way. And this building is the check-in booth. After the guests check in, they'll have to go to the souvenir shop to get on the tour. Alright, here's the newest update with the souvenir shop. They're making the gap a lot bigger. So this will be the view from the rum bar, overlooking our boats and headquarters, right in the heart of downtown St. John's. It's all coming together. Should be downstairs. We'll be handing over next week, and then they'll be working on finishing the bar upstairs after that. Yes, we've missed a lot of the season due to certain team pullbacks, as well as some containers and shipping issues that we had. But you know how it goes. Keep you updated. Alright, here's a little bit more of a recent update on the rum bar and the souvenir shop. Souvenir shop is downstairs with the check-in counter for the tour company. And then upstairs is a new Rum, Pirate and Nautical themed bar called the Captain's Tavern. Here's a little update on the progress. So downstairs is going to be apparently finishing soon, sooner than upstairs. It's going to be the little check-in area. Yesterday, please don't mind me. I'm just having a quick look. Lots of space. They're just doing the frames now for the doors and the windows. They've done over the floor slab. Small and cozy little check-in booth, and all the rest will be souvenirs for sale. And this is how you get to the rum bar. As you see, it's got an amazing view of the cruise ship harbor. Some days there'll be 4 cruise ships in port. They're doing the railing now. This area in the corner here will be mainly bar. Lots of space. And then our boats and so forth are right down here. So plan is that all the guests, after they go on a tour, pop in for a drink in the morning before midday. We may even do a coffee and maybe even some cooking classes, and then by midday we start the bar and rum tasting experience. This is a little update. We'll keep you in the loop.